Hello everyone and welcome to Think Sharp channel. Today I'm going to talk about the food and drinks in German language. But before everything, do like, share and subscribe to follow more videos. And don't forget to watch the old videos. And this is the last lesson in German language. The first thing here is Brot. Brot means bread. Käse means cheese. Fleisch means meat. Hähnchen means chicken. Fish means fish. Reis means rice. Kartoffel means potato. Apfel means apple. Banane means banana. Orange means orange. Tomate means tomato. Gurk means cucumber. Wasser means water. Saft means juice. Tea means tea. Kaffee means coffee. Milch means milk. E means egg. Suppe means soup. Salad means salad. This is the end of our class for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to follow more videos.